Yo, what up? It's Aaron Moses gang. So this is phone and toke fresh. This fresh and fit. Now, peep this. A couple days ago, right? I was taking a walk down memory lane and I was watching the golden era of No Jumper when it was T-Rail, Duno, Housephone, and AD. And I ran across a video where Housephone started to describe his little 5 second beef with Fresh and Fit, right? And I had never heard this really before. I think I just jumped past it because it wasn't a real big thing. I'm not a big Fresh and Fit fan or anything like that. I do indulge in the content of Donovan Sharp, Kevin Samuels, Osei Jackson, Simple the P, Fresh, Freezes It. As far as the Manosphere, that's pretty much what I watch. I watch FitX Fearless, but other than that, I don't really care about content like that. I really just try to learn about whatever I need to learn. But I've never seen this, and let's get into it. This man dissed, and there's two. I'm gonna do another one after this.
Could not talk, bro. I'm like, bro, get this nigga off there. He should kick himself out every time. Like, man, kick the. Yeah, Fresh. That nigga.
I don't know what the fuck he be saying.
Bro, that nigga. And that nigga be having the mic. He be eating.
This is not my technology. This is their technology. The audio and the visual is off. It's not of my doing.
Bruh, pause. That nigga be having the mic all over. You like, nigga, you, we can hear you, nigga. Like, goddamn.
We can hear you, nigga, but I don't know what you're saying.
Yeah.
Potlord definitely thinks he's
That nigga
Kevin
Never
Hart.
know what bro be saying.
That nigga be like, he asked the nigga question. He be like, ladies, so tell me what your first experience with a man. How was you doing this when he was in the car? Nigga, what?
Like, what the fuck are
You
you
gotta turn her clothes captions for this nigga, bro.
How about you, man? So, I took a girl to the dates. Like, nigga, shut the fuck up.
Give me that.
I'm a high value man, shit. Nigga, shut
I'm
up.
happy, man. I was gonna get a blue check on Instagram, right? So that being said, when
Oh my
DM to
God.
a girl, she most likely is gonna respond. Like, nigga, shut your bitch ass up. I gotta change everything.
Look. I can't lie and say I've never watched Fresh and Fit, but I'm not like watching them. I'm not subscribed to them. But he sounds spot on. I actually did watch I think it was AD not Housephone, T-Rail, AD, Fresh and Fit, and one other person. They should have had Gina on that. That would have been litty. But it is what it is. No, it is not. Sam Mother. Make sure you like this video.
We got a class on it. I take the Lamborghinis. So when I go to business meetings and when I meet people, they see the watch and they see the Instagram. Like,
That's not that. That's an African accent. That's not Barbados. So you see what you want. This nigga be like, so when girls see what they want, they go for it. For example, if you had a woman, right, and she's cooking, you're not gonna leave her. But if a man is trying to be the woman's gonna leave. She's gonna cheat on you, bro. It's no mistake.
You man, but he never had a.
So for example,
yeah, like
how are you talking about girls have to share dudes if you don't even have a free?
I don't know how this is.
These little.
Right.
Stupid.
Yeah.
Why I gotta deal with all these bitches if I'm not fucking them?
that nigga haircut is out of control too. That nigga got a sunroof, bro. You know what I'm
The niggas in the side row.
He got a sunroof.
Watching.
Oh, Miller High Life drinking ass. Get your dumb ass off the camera.
Body count over 1,000.
Hey,
He did say his body count was like 3 bands. That nigga's crazy. So you spent over, hold up, how much is, I don't know how much pussy is. Let's just say like $60, bro. 50, maybe 100. Let's say 100. So you spent you could have bought 3 houses in Indiana You spent that much money because I'm not even dissing at this point because they say they do go on sugar baby sites because so many women know who they are. They can't even approach regular women in Miami. And Miami is big. The population is just like Atlanta. The population is big, but it's not it's small, bro. It's not a lot of land to it. You know what I'm saying? From my understanding. If I'm wrong, I'm wrong. But bro, you're going after the same bracket of women. I'm going for high, medium, and low. You're going for high. Oh, this bitch. Let me pause this video, y'all. Hello, hold up. I'm doing a video. Just hold on 1 second. So like I was saying, man, yeah, let's get back into it.
Yeah, bro, what? That's cap. He tried to lie and say that. Well, nigga, they live next to Club Live, bro. They can go in there all day. They can smack 4 birds down before
Damn,
12.
damn, what?
They wanted to, bro. And then
Who is this?
they can smack 4 birds
Oh my good golly gosh.
before midnight, nigga. If they wanted to,
She's
bro.
a serial.
Go back to the club and get one before they leave.
And then get on the podcast and talk shit to the same bitches they just hit.
Yeah.
Wow.
They either be about to fuck or already done fucked.
That's a fact.
That's what I be thinking.
That's a fact. That's why they be talking to him so crazy.
Oh, wait a minute.
Like, hold
You
on.
already piped, you
They be like,
already
the point I'm trying to make is, ladies, I have that pussy. This shit's garbage, okay? This is fresh and fit.
Oh,
we're in an
yes.
apartment. We're in the fucking studio.
What is
Get
this?
the fuck out, everybody.
Yeah.
Hey, don't and the other nigga, they like studio director. That nigga sound just like Reese. That nigga sound the nigga Chris. He sounds just like Reese.
I don't know who Reese is.
That's funny as fuck.
So anyways, I guess that was the original video. We got another one. I'm gonna post this next. It's Aaron Moses on the band, you the band, with the band to the main lights in the brother, the name page. Goddamn.